Welcome to Cat-Tastic Quiz Challenge, the ultimate game show for cat lovers. In this game, we will test your knowledge about cats and see how much you know about these adorable and sometimes mysterious creatures. Whether you're a seasoned cat owner or just love all things feline, we've got the questions that will challenge your knowledge and keep you entertained. To play, all you need to do is answer the multiple choice questions that we will be presenting to you. You will have 4 possible answers to choose from, and you will need to select the correct one to move on to the next question. Let the Cat-Tastic Quiz Challenge begin. Question 1. What is the scientific name for the domestic cat? A. Felis catus. B. Felis sylvestris. C. Felis lynx. D. Felis leo. Your timer starts now. The answer is A. Felis catus. Question 2. What is a group of cats called? A. A clouder. B. A litter. C. A pack. D. A swarm. Your timer starts now. The answer is A. A clouder. Question 3. How many toes does the average cat have on its front paws? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Your timer starts now. The answer is B. 6. Question 4. Which famous cartoon cat was created in 1940 and often appeared in Warner Brothers cartoons? A. Garfield. B. Felix the cat. C. Tom. D. Sylvester. Your timer starts now. The answer is D. Sylvester. Question 5. In ancient Egypt, cats were revered and worshipped. What was the punishment for killing a cat? A. Banishment. B. Death penalty. C. Imprisonment. D. Fines. The answer is B. Death penalty. Question 6. What is the average lifespan of a domestic cat? A. 5 to 8 years. B. 10 to 12 years. C. 15 to 18 years. D. 20 to 22 years. Your timer starts now. The answer is C. 15 to 18 years. Question 7. What is the name of the cat in Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? A. Cheshire Cat. B. Tom Cat. C. Felix Cat. D. Garfield Cat. Your timer starts now. The answer is A. Cheshire Cat. Question 8. What breed of cat is known for having no tail? A. Siamese. B. Persian. C. Manx. D. Bengal. Your timer starts now. The answer is C. Manx. Question 9. What is the world record for the longest domestic cat? A. 3 feet, 10 inches. B. 4 feet, 2 inches. C. 5 feet, 7 inches. D. 6 feet, 8 inches. Your timer starts now. The answer is A. 3 feet, 10 inches. Question 10. What is the most popular breed of cat in the United States? A. Persian. B. Siamese. C. Maine Coon. D. Domestic Shorthair. Your timer starts now. The answer is D. Domestic Shorthair. That's all the time we have for Cat-Tastic Quiz Challenge. I hope you had fun playing and learned something new about cats. Don't forget to show your own furry feline friends some love and appreciation today. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon for another edition of Cat-Tastic Quiz Challenge. Thank you and subscribe.